In this guitar review video, you want to stick around for this one. This is the big daddy right here. This is the Guild F240E. Welcome to Rock Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter. If you like jumbo guitars like I do, love them, then this is going to be a great option for you, especially if you're on a budget, okay? But I'll get to all of that here in just a second. But if you're new to the channel, if you like guitar tutorials, reviews, challenges, giveaways, we do that all right here. So make sure, subscribe, turn on that bell notification. Now, I am an official Guild dealer. All right, where? What do you mean by that, Terry? Great question. The #1 store for all your guitar needs, which is store.rocklikethepros.com. Now, we're about to have a link, store.rocklikethepros.com. Don't worry, I know. But right now, it's store.rocklikethepros.com, but eventually we'll get that going. Don't let that fool you, okay? All right. If you I don't know, have a comment, have a suggestion, like what you're hearing, or anything like that, make sure to leave a comment, smash that like button, and share this video with all your guitar playing friends. Are you ready? Let's dive in. This, again, is the Guild Jumbo. The Jumbo F240E. This will literally ring all freaking day if I let it go. Now, this one does have a pickup in it, which I am going to use. I'll show you how that sounds. But right now, we're just using, boom, a mic here, boom, a mic down there, and then in a little bit, I'll plug in so you can hear how it sounds when it's plugged in. All right. Shall we dive in? All right. Let's just check this out. Solid Sitka. I mean, it's so big for the camera even. Solid, just a jumbo guitar. Solid, Sitka spruce here on the top. And that's going to give you, that's really where a lot of the power from this guitar is coming from, is that pop that you're hearing, that big sound. Okay, so yeah, the big body, of course, has a lot to do with it. I ain't going to joke. This is a big guitar. I love big guitars, big acoustic guitars, big jazz arch top guitars. I love all that kind of stuff, okay? And I want to show it to you. And the other reason why I like this is because I have the Guild F55 version of this, which is, they're very similar, but I want to do this one because this is more affordable for those that want to get into a big guitar like that. But you still get the solid top. Now, what I like about it is you got the rosette here. You got the mother of pearl and some ABS here. You also got the ABS purfling and the ABS binding. Can you see that top and bottom binding? Now, what they did is they made the sides, boom, mahogany, boom, back, mahogany. Now, this is an arched, if you can see that, it's actually arched there. But this is a laminate, okay? Laminate mahogany side and back. That's really going to help keep the price down for this thing, but I think it's worth it. All right, so I know they did that, and I like solid guitars, ukuleles, all that stuff, but for the price point you're getting this thing at, absolutely crazy. And you are getting that solid top. All right, I'm going to go over all the specs, the scalings. Matter of fact, I got a bunch of notes right here that I took right before this video. I might have to glance at them because there's a lot of them, but we're going to do some playing. Matter of fact, why don't I do another piece of playing, then we'll dive into some of the specs because I know you want to know the scale length, the nut width, all that kind of stuff, and I got all that information for you right here. So, all right, are you ready? Let me do a little playing here. All right. Whew. I don't know if you heard that. My little 5-year-old son was out there outside the studio. He just screamed, "Don't worry, everything is okay." But all right, I'm back. All right, let's go over some other stuff here. So you got the solid mahogany neck here. Okay. Now, what's cool about this, well, besides the classic Guild here, you got the Guild GBB1 Butterbean 16-to-1 tuners on this thing. So nice tuners. Nut width. Okay, this is like I said, this is a big guitar. It's a pretty thick neck. Okay, I like it personally. You know, this is great. What do you like to do? I mean, are you a strummer? Are you a picker? I think this is great for a little finger picking. It's going to have that huge sound for it. All right, nut width, 1 11/16 nut width. Scale length, boom, nut to saddle, 25.5. That's right. 25.5. Just had to double check the notes. 25.5 scale length. So big boy. Overall length. Can I even get this in? No, I'll probably have to do the wide camera. 42, boom, and a half inches from the top to the bottom. Again, this has a pickup. I'm going to put that in. This has a radius. Okay, 16-inch. Boom, radius fretboard. This is ferro fretboard and also on the bridge. And that's a really common wood. I'm seeing a lot more these days on guitars and on ukulele because it's a hardwood, but it's probably a little bit more abundant, not quite as expensive as something maybe like a rosewood or an ebony. So you're seeing that a lot more on this stuff. What else do we got? All right, should I plug it in? Let me plug it in and then we'll do some playing. All right, I'm back. I am plugged in now. So I still have a mic here, but I'm now plugged in through my mic pre, and I have a little friend here. My son has joined me. He was a little scared. We watched a scary cartoon last night. But he's here joining me. He's doing just fine down there. All right, the pickup here. All right, so you notice we got a pickup. We plug it in right here. It does take a 9-volt battery. This is a Guild Fishman pickup, the GT1, and it does have a volume and a tone knob that go right here in the sound hole. So I'll do a little playing with that. Yeah, why don't we just do that now? Oh, strings. That's what I was thinking about. The strings. We got the Diodoro EXP16, which has a 12 here on the first string and a 53 on the low E string. So, all right, let me do a little playing here. All right. Took me a little bit, a few takes on that one. My editor will know all that, what that's about. But okay, that was a little piece from one of my fingerstyle meditachios book, which is a fingerstyle book. I kind of did a little strumming, but I wanted to hear the pickup with some picking and some strumming as well. And I know I'm going to do a little bit more as well. So what do you think so far of this Guild F240E? Again, store.ukulekethepros.com. Now, we have a full luthier repair shop there. So when you get this from us, you can add a setup. You can add, well, it does already have the strap buttons, but if you want to add a setup, if you want to add anything else to it, even a case. Let me grab the case real quick. Now, this is a big case, but I do carry them at the store, and it's actually meant for this guitar, and it actually has a built-in humidifier as well. So, boom, right there. We have these cases at store.ukulekethepros.com as well. All right, so why don't I do one more thing? I love the blues. If you know me through rocklikethepros.com, ukulekethepros.com, you know I love the blues. And by the way, if you like the blues, you like these songs, you like anything, just check out rocklikethepros.com. We got all our courses up there. We got our premium membership, everything you need to become a great guitar player. All right, let's take it home with a little blues. That's what I'm talking about. How's that sound? Let's do this. All right, so that's how we take it home right there. So anyway, thanks for being here. I hope you enjoyed this Guild F240E. Store.yourcollectethepros.com if you need this. I appreciate you being here. You can follow us anywhere here on social media, our Patreon page. Sunny says, have a good one as well, and we'll see you in the next video.